Today on Mom to Mom, we have an easy yet adorable Mother's Day gift. Take it from this mom, handmade gifts are always welcome for Mother's Day. So today we are making handprint tulip towels. All you're gonna need are some tea towels, which you can get at a craft store, Amazon, Walmart, some fabric paint, some toilet paper rolls, some paint brushes, and a permanent marker. Now, let's grab the kiddos and make these fun tulip handprint towels. So first we're gonna start with the tea towel. We're gonna make sure it's nice and flat. Then you're gonna take your kid's hand and paint it. Then you're gonna press it right onto the tea towel. Gently lift the kid's hand up off the tea towel. If there's some spots that didn't really take, that's okay. You can fill it in with a paintbrush. Now you want to make the stem. And if you feel like your kids are gonna mess it up, you can always paint the stem for them. Now on to the toilet paper rolls. This is why I like to have these, because it's super easy to create a leaf. So you're gonna take the green paint and put it on a plastic area. Then you're gonna dip the paper roll into the paint. Then once you have it dipped into the paint, you're gonna squeeze it into the shape of a leaf, and then you're gonna press it onto the stem. Once you pull that off, you can fill it in, your kids can fill it in, just have fun with it. Then I like to have the kids personalize it a little bit. I have them write their name on a piece of paper, and then I trace it on to the tea towel for them, how they wrote their name in a Sharpie. And it's just super personalized. It looks like they wrote it on there, and it's easy all the way around. These are great for grandmas, the mom, or anyone who the kid has a personal relationship to. If you happen to do this, I would love to see those pictures. You can post it to our Facebook page, and we'll see you on the next Mom to Mom.